Hey everybody, Chris Pulver here, and welcome back to another segment of the Pulver Report, where we trade to be profitable, not perfect. Today's segment is going to be short and sweet, but I have a super special discount for everyone that stays to the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started for today's Pulver Report. All right, so it's officially been 1 month since I've launched the Perfect Storm Pro, and after over 20 webinars, 7 live classes, and plenty of live trades, I can say that unequivocally, this is the most thorough strategy and class that I've ever created. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you out there, all the traders, all the students, all of you out there that purchased the Perfect Storm Pro. The full course with VIP access and bonus sessions, or even just the automation. I appreciate you taking the time to learn about the strategy, and I really hope that you enjoy the robot and it performs as well for you as it has been performing for me. Now, I was so confident in this system's ability to generate profit that I was even asked to provide a 1,000 pip guarantee for this product launch. Now, considering I'm a trader that doesn't like to set unrealistic expectations, I would rather under-promise and over-deliver, right? So a promise or guarantee is not exactly my style. But I did it for the Perfect Storm Pro, and the robot had no issues doing exactly what it's been doing for me since 2018, and that is capture pips. So for a little breakdown, here is a third-party verified MyFXBook track record. This is for the month of August and September. 2 trading months that allowed me to take multiple golf trips. I broke in an electric skateboard. I sold a house. I went to see friends and family. I celebrated an anniversary, went to a couple of weddings, and I traded with more trust and automation than ever before. Now, I'm not saying that the Perfect Storm Pro is the holy grail, but it's the best system and the most comprehensive robot that I've ever built. Now, I'll leave a link in today's segment with a 15-minute bonus video so you can explore the Perfect Storm Pro on your own. Again, check it out if you want to. I'll even toss in a promo code to save you $1,000 off the sticker price. Now, all that information will be in the description for today's video, so check it out if you're interested. The Perfect Storm Pro, let's get to the tail of the tape. 2 years and 9 months of tick data testing, all 28 Forex pairs, an insane amount of pips and profits, and I've also been trading the system live for 3 years. And just like the hair club for men fella, I'm not only the president and creator of Perfect Storm Pro, but I'm also a client. Me generating profits, my robot generating profits, it's what I expect. It's why I've worked so hard preparing the system for the live markets. In August and September, since I've launched the course and made it available for students, it's produced very solid months. I'm up 2,148 pips for the month of August. I'm up 2,477 pips for September. That's a total of 4,625 pips in less than 40 trading days, and that's 2.65% across all of my accounts. But that's for me. What's even better is actually teaching students what this system and strategy can do, walking everyone through all of the features, all the bells and whistles, and within 1 to 2 weeks, or within the first month, right along with me, I'm hearing of students like Paul that are generating over 1,900 pips of profit in a week, or Tony generating over 2,800 pips of profit, or each and every day in my Flex trading room, students are chiming in and sharing that the Perfect Storm Pro is capturing 50 pips today. Moving a trailing stop loss in this currency pair so you can sit back and continue to trade with the peace of mind knowing that the risk is eliminated and may the profits continue to run with market generosity. Now, I also want to give a shout out to one of my students for the Perfect Storm Pro, Kevin, who requested some extra features and input combinations that I test. Okay, this was great feedback during just a routine strategy classroom session. And what a pleasant surprise to discover that this dual confirmation version of the Perfect Storm Pro maintained all the profitability while significantly reducing an already impressive risk profile. So now, current Perfect Storm Pro students have an entire class dedicated to this dual confirmation update and robot presets to assist with a quick deployment to trade this way. Now, I'll start wrapping up the Forex robot side of things. Perfect Storm Pro is making my week-to-week trading incredibly consistent, and with the setups that I really like, the positions that I look to build, I just simply add my manual trades on top of it. And I'm going for these big wins in addition to trading the consistency with the robot. But the fun part is using the robot to help me stay active in the Forex market without requiring an obsessive amount of time that it typically takes to trade this 24-hour market. And maybe I'm just excited because I feel like my trading has reached this new level of efficiency. I'm able to manage stocks, options, Forex, and crypto portfolios each and every week, pick my battles, focus on the best setups. And what are we trying to do, right? What are we trying to do with our trading? You guessed it. Trade to be profitable, not perfect. So join me in the commitment to take our trading to the next level. In fact, let's make that the secret phrase for today. Type in next level. If you're done messing around, if you're done dabbling, it's time to take your education seriously and start protecting your profits. Stocks, options, Forex, cryptos, the asset class doesn't matter. I'm here to help. Just let me know what you need. There are no excuses in our trading. The markets don't care about your successes or your struggles, but you do. So let's work our butts off and do whatever it takes to win the game. All right, and I will be in the markets right alongside you. So you want to trade Forex? You can trade with me in my Flex trading room. You want to trade stocks and options? You can trade with me in my Equities on Demand trading room. It is by far, bar none, the best time to be a trader. But you have to be proactive and you have to be committed. You are not alone. You can trade with me. You can trade with a great community of traders. Retail traders are changing the game. So guess what? Let's get out there, let's get in the trenches, and let's make some profits. All right, so thanks for watching Perfect Storm Pro. Check out the description. I appreciate the likes and the thumbs up. Please spread the word of the Pulver Report channel. Join me live on Mondays and Fridays at 9 o'clock for my Pulver Report. And as always, happy trading and lots of profits.